guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we're doing a really simple recipe. It is a lemon, butter, and oregano chicken. Now you will need a couple products from our store. First you'll need the butter infused olive oil. We use it a lot in our recipes. You also need the oregano olive oil. This is a fused olive oil, so you've actually got oregano crushed with the olive oil. It's beautiful. Also, this recipe does call for Worcestershire. It's not Who's Your Sister sauce. Hold on. Worcestershire sauce. It does call for that, but instead of that, we're actually going to use our Neapolitan herb dark balsamic. All this is just going to give it some amazing flavor. So let's get to our mixture. Now again, for this recipe, please go to our website for all the ingredients and amounts. Other than that, let's start with our mixture. We first have some lemon juice in this bowl. This is perfect size for what we're going to mix everything in. So we're first going to throw in some butter olive oil. And we're going to throw in our oregano olive oil. And when it comes to the Neapolitan herb dark balsamic, we're going to throw some in as well. And we also have some soy sauce. You will also need some garlic powder. Not too much. Now that all that's in there, we're just going to whisk that up. Say that's pretty good. Now we're going to grab our chicken. Now at this point you do want to preheat your oven to 375. Right here we have some beautiful chicken breasts from Old 99 Farm. This is free range chicken. This is actually 2 chicken breasts that we cut in half lengthways like this, and honestly this could feed us for a couple of days, at least 2 or 3 days. This is also hormone free. It's what chicken should taste like. We've loved it ever since we started buying chicken from them. So we are just going to take our mixture. We're just going to pour this over everything. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Love it when a plan comes together. All right, so at this point, we are going to take it over to the stove. All right, so one thing I forgot to mention is when you have your chicken in the dish, you want a 7x11 ungreased baking dish. This is perfect for that. So the other thing you want to do is bake this for 15 minutes. And then once that first 15 minutes is done, we're going to make sure our chicken is still nicely covered with all that mixture and bake it for an additional 15. So let's get that in there. The reason why we have it on an actual baking tray is because the last time we did chicken, our baking dish actually cracked on us somehow. Might have been a defect in it. I don't know how. So we're just being a little extra careful. So 15 minutes. And we will see you in a bit. Hello. So first 15 minutes are done. Oh, that smells amazing. Take this out very carefully. Also got some rice going and some broccoli. We're going to talk about that in a couple minutes. So we're just going to take some of this, make sure we're basting the top. The smell of the butter and the lemon and oregano is just mouth-watering. Make sure all these dry spots are covered. So once those are nicely covered, just going to bake this for another 15 minutes and it'll be done. Now we do have some steamed broccoli as one of our sides, so first we're just going to throw a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in here. We're using our nocciolara from Sicily. And then we are using a new product in our store, which is the Favuzzi Italian herb mix. So this is full of rosemary, garlic, sage, juniper, thyme, laurel, oregano, marjoram, basil, and parsley. So this is new in our store. You can come in and grab it. It's just as good as our sea salt and herb mix. Just going to throw a bit in here. And then take our spoon and just make sure it all gets nice and coated. It smells really nice coming up from the pot here. Hello again. So we actually had to tack on another 15 minutes for this chicken just to make sure the chicken breast was perfect. So let's take a look. See? Ew, that's gorgeous. Nice bubbly liquids. So we did, let's see here, 165. They were over that for all those. So we are going to plate these up. Oh, the smell is coming off this chicken. The butteriness. You can't say no to good butteriness. And the lemon oregano. Oh, let's get our first bite here. Oh. Right off the bat, I get the lemon. I get that beautiful. Honestly, everything just comes together so well. Wow, this is a phenomenal summer chicken recipe, guys. Again, so easy. You could use whatever kind of chicken you want for chicken pieces, but this is a good one. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Mention is you want to put your chicken in a 7x11 ungreased baking dish. So this is some dish. It's the perfect size for all of this. I guess I don't have to say that either. It's the perfect size.